Good morning, guys. It's a little snowy this morning. It's like 5 o'clock. And I have to go into the hospital, so I'm going in early so I can make sure all the patients get fed. So it looks like it was about maybe 2 inches of snow on my car. But it's not ice at all, it's just fluffy snow, so just brushing it off with a broom. But it's still snowing, but it's almost over. Whew. Oh, it's cold. Cold. Oh, it's kind of thick back here, though. That's coming off. Yeah. Defroster's on. I'll go grab some food in my belly. And we'll be on our way. Snowy morning in Tennessee, and it's cold. So it's about 5:28, and I'm about to head into work. My plan was okay, guys. Yeah, it's 5:30 in the morning. About to trek through the snow and drive my butt to work. My goal is to be there by 6. That's what time we start feeding the patients in the hospital. And I know there's people that aren't going to come to work because they look at snow like a snow day, and patients still have to be fed. So I'm going to go in, and if I have to scramble eggs, I'll scramble eggs. If I have to deliver meals, I'll deliver meals to rooms. Whatever has to be done will be done so people can eat in the hospital. So hope I don't crash, guys. Bye. It's 1:20, and I forgot to buy diapers yesterday. So this guy's wearing the last pair of clean diapers. So we are going to Publix. Well, their mommy's at work, so we're gonna go order a sandwich, so she has to make us all a sandwich. Right? No, I'm just kidding, we're not. So it's like 50 degrees out, it's not cold, but we're heading to the Publix to get diapers, and then we'll surprise her mommy. Well, she knows we're coming because I told her we were. Hey guys, we're on the way to Publix to get diapers. Waylon Pants is wearing the last pair of clean diapers because I forgot to get diapers yesterday. Now their mommy's at work, So we're gonna get a shopping cart and maybe we'll go buy a piece of meat from her. Should we?
Yeah.
What about cheese?
Yeah, just say, Daddy, Daddy, when you buy a piece of meat, just say, can Rachel order it? Then can Rachel do it?
You think they'll let her?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe. So I promised them if they behave, we're gonna get ice cream and root beer and have root beer floats for their treat today. So they're not really behaving super good, but they're kind of behaving. Kind of. Wesley said he's gonna behave because he wants a root beer float.
I won't.
William wants a root beer float too, so he'll behave.
Can Waylon?
Waylon can have some. Will he behave?
Yeah.
Because if he doesn't behave, then I'm gonna take some of yours away as punishment. Is that fair?
No.
Why?
No.
What do you mean no? Should I take it from Wesley?
Yeah.
Okay.
No!
No, he said no. He does not want to be punished for Waylon's misbehaving.
And I'm gonna dirty your car off.
You better not dirty my car. Hold on tight, guys. Here we go. Hold on tight. Hey, that house is for sale. You want me to buy it?
Yeah.
You didn't even look at it.
I like the house.
You like that house?
Yeah, I like it. I want to go. You buy the house for me.
But this next to this busy road, I don't want you to play in the busy road.
We're not.
It's right next to the house.
We don't even play outside.
Well, we want a house that you can play outside and ride bikes and stuff.
Daddy, don't take me ice cream, and I'm gonna dirty your car.
Okay, I won't take your ice cream. Don't dirty my car.
Okay.
Yeah, all we had was TV shows, and only one person could pick what was watching.
Daddy, Nana, you turn in a baby. You eat lots of candy. How does you turn in a baby? Person. Nana,
I didn't have any candy.
yeah, Nana, you grow up and you turn in a baby.
Yeah, I grew up.
Yeah, because and you have 2 lives. Because
Maybe.
Daddy, because you eat only things for candy you have. Because you eat lot of candies, Nana, you grow up. Daddy, I wonder what it feels to be a grown-up.
Bro, it feels bad. Sometimes you should just stay a kid as long as you can.
Damn, Nana, you didn't turn in a kid, bro. Damn, Nana, you turn in a baby, and you'll be. What do you mean you're a baby, Wesley? You're still a baby. No, I'm a boy, dear.
He's a little boy, bro.
Oh, he's a baby.
No, Waylon's a baby.
No,
Wesley's a little boy.
Wesley's a baby.
He's not a baby.
I'm a little boy.
He's a little boy.
No,
He's a little boy.
Wesley's a baby.
You're a medium boy.
Yeah, I'm a kid.
You're a kid.
But Bella's a teenager.
Yes, Waylon's a baby.
What's Bella?
Bella's a little girl.
No, she's not little.
She's a preteen.
I
mean, she's almost 13.
We're at the Bella house.
Bella's in Florida.
Well, I want to go to Florida.
You want to go back to Florida?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you do? Okay. Maybe we'll go visit.
I want to go at Sam's house. And me too. I want to go to Sam's house. I want to go in Happy Bella house and Sam's house, please.
Okay, we'll go.
Yay! Daddy, sometimes Sam goes to his dad's house. Sometimes Sam goes to his mom's house.
Yeah. He has 2 houses. Like Bella has her mom's house and my house.
Me too, and I have a big, small house.
Okay, guys, we're at the Publix. Hey, wait. All right, guys. We're in our shopping cart. William, would you please watch out so I don't run over you?
Yay!
Candy.
I want candy.
You want candy?
Yes. I want bunny candy.
You want candy?
Yeah, I want bunny candy.
You want candy? You want candy?
Mommy.
Let's buy some cheese.
Hello. Hi, Mommy. I love you.
Hey, say bye. Mommy's working. Say bye-bye. Let's go look at the candy and get your diapers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well, guys, if you don't have kids, hey, stop grabbing things. It's so hard to shop with children because they want everything. It's like everything. Like everything. That's a mop, dude. Hey, we're getting diapers. Oh, we're not getting nerds. Oh, okay, yes.
I'm nerds.
We're not getting nerds. We're getting ice cream next. Hold your horses. Hold your horses, McCoy. No, steer better. Steer better. You're not steering good. Steer. 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 We're going to crash. Steer. Steer. Ah. Steer. 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 William, watch out.
Go right, guys. Go left. Go left.
William, move.
But the guys. Oh no, God. I'll be back.
Hey, let's go. Say bye to your mommy.
Bye, bye, Kuya. I love you. Be good, okay?
Okay.
Let's go down this side.
Yes.
Now? Guys, we're home from the Publix. We have diapers now. Get in the chair. And I told them if they behaved, I would get stuff to make root beer floats. So we've got the root beer and the ice cream. Oh! And we're making root beer floats for the boys.
Stop. Okay, wait. Stop. Really good.
This was a bad time because it's cold.
The water stays in rabbit and fish.
I don't know. You're cold from your float?
They're shiny.
I don't want to try. I'm eating my lunch. Leftover tacos from yesterday.
I want it.
Except in it.
Hey, don't you blow that, mister. I saw you. Hey, stop blowing bubbles. Don't do that, guy. Stop right now. I will take them away from you both. We're not blowing bubbles. Okay. Are you going to drink it? Because I'm not going to give you another chance.
Let me drink it.
Stop blowing bubbles. I can hear when you blow bubbles.
No, I don't.
So stop doing that.
Okay.
So cold.
I hear yours too.
So cold.
Wesley, I can hear the bubbles.
Random.
I can see it's not in your straw. Do you think Daddy's not very smart? I'm super smart.
You don't know how to smell tire.
Let's see what Stay so loud and stay so bad.
You don't like it? You don't want any more?
Yes, I'm only the one so that one only has in.
Okay, later for ice cream. After we eat foods.
And why you put ice cream in it? And then you put soda in it. It tastes so bad. I
No,
don't
it's
like
called a
it.
float.
I don't like
You
it.
do too like it. You drink it.